Hello guys, welcome to the video. So we received a tweet from ULA. So the Vulcan Centaur Pathfinder booster arrived in Cape Canaveral, Florida, completed LVOS activities and then moved from the VIF to the SPOC for testing to continue while the VIF supports the Atlas V launch manifest. So countdown to the Vulcan. So here is a quick playback. Let's enjoy it. And also a tweet from Elon. So out on launchpad, so engine swap underway. Here we can see Starship serial number 10 out on the open, waiting for its engine swap, said by Elon. And also a tweet from Dylan. So I take this break from homework to say New Glenn is a cool launch vehicle and I hope it succeeds in the launch market. So here are some beautiful pictures of the New Glenn. That's Blue Origin's next generation rocket, which is going to be very awesome. Yeah, New Glenn is going to be a masterpiece. Very, very beautiful. Here's some beautiful pictures of it. Yeah. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. Dream of you all night. And also a tweet from Dayton. So wow, his words were wow. It's actually been a while since we saw Zeus out on the open. He's actually getting some some fresh air, God knows what. So that's SpaceX RoboDog out in the open, having some cool air on his face. Hilarious. And a tweet from Jack. So Starship serial number 10. So Raptor engine, unknown serial number, just left the launch site. So here we see it leaving the launch site. Unknown serial number. And another tweet from Dayton. So crews are completing the drainage slope in front of the launch site container well. So here we can see the crews very busy working. It's like they never get tired. A tweet again from Drayton. So work continues near the new northeastern retaining wall. So here we can see the crew near the wall. inspecting everything to make sure everything is in place. And also new grading and concrete preparation in front of the mid-bay and fabrication tent. We can see the work progressing nicely and beautifully. And also a tweet from Pato. So Starship is massive. This pic really puts it in perspective. Elon for scale. So this is actually a Starship comparison with human. I think Elon is on the left, on the first left, which is actually very cool, standing next to his beautiful Starship. Man, Starships are huge.